Greetings everyone. I'm Aditya Saran Singh Deo, class of 2008. Wishing a very happy 21st birthday to my alma mater, Delhi Public School Bhopal, a place which is very close to my heart and which forged me into the person I am today. It has been quite a journey over the past 13 years since I stepped out of DPS Bhopal and into the real world. I graduated as a mechanical engineer from Delhi College of Engineering and then pursued my master's in engineering from University of California at Berkeley, specializing in product design. Subsequently, over the years, I had the opportunity to work with Mercedes-Benz, General Motors, and Schlumberger USA as a product design engineer. But as fate would have it, I ended up back in my hometown of Sarguja, Chhattisgarh, working as an elected representative to the District Development Council, also known as the Jilla Panchayat, and working as a policy advisor to the Ministry for Health and Rural Development. This has been quite an interesting transition from a comfortable desk job as an engineer in America to working for the people in the unstructured field of grassroots politics. A transition which I would not have been able to accomplish without the fundamental conditioning that I received growing up as a DEPsite. Our teachers continuously pushed us out of our comfort zones, encouraged us to take on challenges which seemed out of our reach, and allowed us to pursue our interests, making sure we became the best versions of ourselves. I would not have pursued my interest in engineering, nor would have I ever dreamt of leading a school cricket team, had it not been for the guidance of my gurus. DPS taught me to be a team player, to always raise my voice for what I believed in, and to always make a positive contribution in society. And most importantly, it was at school where I met the most beautiful and the most important person in my life, Trishala, for which I am forever grateful. Some of my fondest memories are from school. From realizing my love for physics and chemistry to actually falling in love. Those long hours staying back in school for cricket practice to fighting the school administration for not allowing us to play the inter-school tournament in class 12th and then finally lifting the trophy in the same tournament. These are memories I will cherish for life. In the end, I would like to thank all my teachers, my peers, and all the members of the DPS family who embedded in me a true sense of our school motto, service before self. Happy 21st birthday DPS Bhopal. Keep inspiring and encouraging and shaping the future of India. Thank you for everything.
Hello everyone, I'm Captain Abhinav Sahu, batch 2011. First of all, wishing you a very happy birthday, DPS. Today is a day which gives me a nostalgic feeling when it was 3rd July 2000, when few of us and very few teachers and supporting staff joined the school. Class 2C, I remember it. Now when I look back, it's just a glorious journey which this school has traveled, creating laurels, producing successful students all around. DPS has been an integral part of my life, which brought a change in my life since my childhood. I joined as a student in class 2nd and passed out in 2011. My journey was full of learning experiences, which I am very much grateful to the teachers and the atmosphere which this school gave me. The position which I am, it is completely, I must say, it is just credit of this school and the teachers. They molded me from an innocent child who knew nothing about life. They taught me things. They gave me teachings which helped me till date in my career, in my profession, in the post which I am handling now. And just a message to the students who are currently studying, aspiring for something in life. Just don't give up. Have a dream, just live that dream. It may take 5 to 10 years and you will be successful. Just listen to your teachers. They are the bestest support you have. And you are the luckiest student on earth, I must say, that you are part of this family, which helps you in becoming the person which you are aspiring for. Wishing all the best to the students and their parents, and my love for the DPS family, my teachers. Thank you everyone.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Vibhu Tiwari. I am from the first batch of DPS Bhopal. I'm currently working as a ENT resident final year in Armed Forces Medical College, and this is my brief introduction. Now, when I speak about my time at the school, that is DPS, I just to remember that time period makes me laugh. We were dedicated to studies, of course, but yeah, we were wild. And yes, we enjoyed a lot. We had a very good circle of friends at that time. We still are in touch with them, and yes, whenever we get a chance to meet one another, we always remember the good old days, the Mashuka playground. I don't know, I do not know if it is still called the same way, but good times. I really enjoyed my time at the various labs, especially the chemistry lab. Notorious for mixing up chemicals and doing fun experiments with them. God knows how many aprons have I burned. God knows. So, this is a brief view of my campus. Most of it is currently closed because of the corona guidelines. I hope you understand. Let's move on to a different location. Most important learning from my time at school would not be knowledge. Knowledge is something that you acquire constantly. What the school DPS will entail you all to develop would be the right attitude. You have to be like a sponge. That's when you absorb the tiniest bit of knowledge that there is around you. Okay. Then what I would wish DPS to be, DPS has nurtured a lot of talent in everyone. So I would pray to God that DPS continues to do so and is helpful in, nurturing the talent which is in us all. And to those who are studying in DPS, enjoy your time. That is the best time of your life. Rest assured, you will not get better people, better company, better place to be than DPS Bhopal.